This is a demonstration video of a Royal Alpha 601 SC cash register I have for sale on eBay. It will come with a Voyager barcode scanner. I have not tested it or programmed it to this cash register, but as you could see that the red laser light functions. I'm not entirely familiar with these cash registers, but I was able to program it enough to put the date and time into it and set it up so that I could demonstrate that it does work. Cash register drawer opens at the end of the sale. As you can see, it prints out. I won't be shipping this with the thermal paper because I had very little and just enough to test it to demonstrate that it does work. This is the cash register. As you can see, it does work and it is programmable. It does not have the instruction manual with it. The instruction manual is available for free online. If you request, I can print that out. There's many pages, so that would probably be better if you printed that yourself. And that's about it for this video. As you can see, it works pretty well.